Fish on. There's a start. All right, y'all, I'm out here today on a little lake on the Catawba River chain. Trying to talk myself into fishing a local club tourney out here here in the next month or so. It's going to take them bigger than that to win, but that's a buzzbait bass and I will never complain about that. Pretty little guy. He is a dink just for kicks. I'll see how big he is. This club has a no, I won't. Club has a 12-inch minimum. I don't think he was going to make it. But yeah. Here's what he ate. Just shad colored Strike King buzzbait. A dink, but it's a start. Fish on, finally. Whew. It has been probably 2 hours since that fish on the buzzbait this morning. Had one more bite on a on the buzzbait. And that has been absolutely it until this guy. Another absolute dink, but I am so thankful to get him. It has been a long morning. 12 inches on the dot. He would barely be a keeper in a tournament. See you, bud. Fish on. Oh, that's a toad. Oh, that's a toad. Oh, that's a toad. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a 3.5, 4 pounder maybe. And again, a long time in between bites. But I don't mind waiting for them if they're like this one. Yes, sir. Oop. That's a beaut. That's a good fish. That's a healthy, pretty fish. Beautiful. Try to get a quick measurement and picture of him here. That's one way to release them. got the picture, so it would have been all right for a tournament. 17.5 incher. Certainly on the heavier side for a 17-inch fish. That was a beaut. That's what he ate, Zoom trick worm. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take it to the house. Obviously a very, very slow day out here, but I did get some fish, and that last one was pretty good. I'm by no means a bass fisherman. I'm a fisherman who occasionally fishes for bass. So anytime I come out here and catch a few fish, I can call it a success. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate you watching, and we'll have more for you soon. I hope to get out here a lot more here. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.